how to find the missing Deactivate option and temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. This tutorial shows you the correct way to locate the deactivation option through Account Center on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Following this, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom of the Account Center page. This is where most people get lost since the deactivation option is hidden in here rather than in the regular Instagram settings. Once done, tap on your Instagram account from the list. From here, tap the Manage button right next to your account name. At this stage, tap on Deactivation or Deletion to see both options. After this, select Deactivate Account to temporarily hide your profile. Once completed, follow the on-screen instructions, select the reason for deactivating, and enter your password when prompted. Finally, tap Continue to confirm, and your account will be temporarily deactivated right away. Your account and all your content will be hidden until you log back in, which instantly reactivates everything. And that's it. If this guide helped you find and use the Deactivate option on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.